Ako po si Felix Morauda, DTF operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 64 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Cupping, working pa naman nito ng 90%. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Profile check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Racing tank malinis yung every Friday. Ground wire. Ito naman po yung use ink. Unused ink, film, powder. Ito naman po yung daily workload natin. Inventory, weekly consumable. Nakagamit tayo dito ng isang powder at isang film. Ito naman po yung consumable monitoring sa yellow, sa black, white ink, powder, cleaning solution, cyan, magenta, 30 cm film. Ito naman po yung monthly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.